Windows 10 was released in 2015. Windows 11 was released in 2021. That means that Windows 10 and 11 has been around for almost a decade. Now, with it being out for a decade, that doesn't necessarily mean that you know every crevice of Windows. And in this video, I'm going to be going over 4 of the many hidden features / settings in Windows that you probably have never heard of, but should definitely pay more attention to. Let's start. First is developer mode. I didn't even know there was a developer mode in Windows 11 simply because of how free you already are in Windows. In developer mode, I specifically use one setting that makes life a tad easier, and that is end task. The same way you would open Task Manager and find a process to end/kill, using the setting, you can do it directly from your taskbar. The way to enable developer mode is by going to your settings, going to system, scroll until you find developer mode, turn it on, then enable whatever settings pique your interest. But don't go touching everything. You could potentially enable some things that would make your Windows experience worse. Next is clipboard history. This is actually a useful feature in Windows I had no idea existed. Clipboard history, as the name implies, saves a history of your latest copy and paste. This can be especially useful if you have multiple things to copy and paste and would hate to lose one of those things for the other. To enable this feature, simply go back to your settings, then go to clipboard history, enable it, and then click Windows + V. This will open the menu, which would hold all copies of text from there. Next is PowerToys. This is technically an application, but it actually unlocks certain features already built into Windows 10 and 11. There are numerous helpful features you can enable in this application. Now, to install this, you could simply use Microsoft Store, but it seems that at least on my end, I couldn't. So you can install it from the GitHub link in the description. Once installed, simply open PowerToys, find your desired feature, enable it, and use it from there. A feature I found interesting is Color Picker. It basically allows you to pick colors from absolutely anywhere on your PC and copies it to your clipboard for use in applications like Photoshop or Canva. Last but not least, this is more of a hidden setting than feature, but this is definitely hidden. It is the ultimate performance power option. This power option isn't natively in Windows, but it can be easily added to your power options. Using this, you can potentially pull a bit more performance out of your PC. Simply open a command prompt with administrator access, then copy and paste the text given in the description as shown on screen, then press enter. Once that's done and you get an output as shown in the video, then just go to power options, find the power option, and enable it. Now you can benchmark your games and see if you get any more FPS. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you would like to see more hidden features / settings, let me know down in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.